Alright, now we are going to normal distribution. Okay, topic normal distribution. Okay, normal distribution is the most important probability distribution in the entire field of statistics. Okay, that means for normal distribution, we want to find the probability in the entire field of statistics, keseluruhan statistik. Okay, so for normal distribution, the graph, it would be like the bell-shaped curve. Okay, and then the curve is symmetric about the mean. That means the mean dia at the center. Okay, and then the total shaded area. Total shaded area, it is equal 1. Okay, keseluruhan area dia, it is equal 1. Okay, each of the two shaded area, that means each of the two shaded area, it is 0.5. Okay, and then a random variable x having normal, okay, a random variable x having a normal distribution can be written as x having normal with mean and variance. Okay, this is for normal distribution. Okay, so the probability of a random variable x, okay, look at the notes tu. The probability of a random variable x having normal distribution can be found from area under the normal curve. That means when we want to find the probability, can be found from the area, okay, at the normal curve ni. Okay, however, to find the probability, we must first transform normal distribution x to the standard normal distribution z. Okay, so from normal, we must transform to the standard normal distribution. Okay, sama juga bell-shaped curve, area dia pun sama. This is mean, area dia 0.5, this one is 0.5. Okay, this is standard normal distribution. Okay, and then this is z. Z dia kat sini. Okay, standard normal distribution z, that means z dia kat sini. So from the center, okay, from the center, on the left it is negative value. Okay, from the center, on the right it is positive value. Okay, for z. Okay, so at the center, the z value is 0. Okay, from the center, at the center ni z value dia 0. Okay, this is positive, this is negative. So to find the z value, okay, to find the z value, we must use formula z is equal x minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, we must use this formula to find the z value. And then to find the probability, okay, we must use table z, which is table 3. Okay, look at your table statistic, table 3. Okay, so to find the probability, the z value, okay, bila awak dah calculate z value, the z value must be in positive. The z value must be in positive. Okay, because look at the table, the shaded area, okay, the shaded area of the graph, it is at the positive side. Okay, it is at the right side, the positive side. So the z value also must be in positive. And then barulah awak boleh cari dia punya probability dia kat sini. Okay, if you get the z value in negative, then you have to convert into positive. Okay, you have to convert into positive. How? Nanti saya akan tunjuk. Okay, so look at example 1. Okay, example 1. So for normal distribution, okay, x having normal with mean and variance. Okay, so look at example 1. A random variable x having a normal distribution with mean is 50 and standard deviation is 8. Find the probability that, so that means we know that mean dibagi kat situ is 50 and then standard deviation is 8. Okay, then we have to use a formula. Okay, we know that mean is 50, standard deviation is 8. So for normal distribution, X heavy normal with mean is 50 and 8 square. Okay, sebabkan yang ni variance, yang ni standard deviation. So you need square kan dia. Tak perlu calculate. Alright, no need to calculate. 8 square, we get 64, right? So no need to calculate. Let it be like this lah. Okay, 8 square. Okay, sebab apa? Sebab kita nak guna standard deviation, bukannya variance. Okay. So to find the probability, we need to use formula Z, X minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, so look at A. When X is greater than 55. Okay, look at A when X greater than 55. So we need to find the probability X greater than 55. Okay, for normal distribution, the equal sign is not important. Okay, equal sign is not important. Okay, whether awak nak tulis greater than macam ni ataupun greater than and equal, up to you. Okay, because it is not important for normal distribution. Okay, so to find the probability X greater than 55, we need to, from normal, we need to transform to standard normal. We use Z. Okay, macam tadi saya cakap tadi, from normal to the standard normal, we have to use Z. Okay, by using formula X minus mean divided by standard deviation. Kalau tengok formula, dia ada equal. Tapi, we have to refer on the question. Bila question ask about greater, then we put greater. Okay, greater X, which is 55, minus mean. Okay, mean is 50. Divide standard deviation, which is 8. And then calculate. Okay, calculate. Cuba calculate, awak akan dapat 0.625. Okay, cuba calculate dapat tak 0.625. Okay, and then we need to find the probability. Okay, we need to find the probability using table. So by using table, we need use 2 decimal places. Okay, sekarang awak calculate, awak dapat 3 decimal places. So by using 2 decimal places, you need to round off. Okay, 5 ni lebih daripada 5 kan, then round off kan dia. It will be 0.63. Okay, make it Z value ni into decimal places. Okay, make it Z value ni into decimal places. Then, barulah awak boleh cari Z value using table. Okay, before that, saya nak you guys lukis graph. Okay, bell-shaped curve. Okay, we know that Z value is 0.63. That means positive value. Positive value, that means on the right side. So, awak lukis Z value dia kat sini. 0.63. Okay, agak-agak saja, tak perlu detail sangat, tak perlu detail sangat dia punya 0.63. Okay, lukis graph Z 0.63. Okay, so nak tahu area tu dekat mana? Area tu awak tengok pada sign dia. Okay, sign dia more than 0.63. More than belah mana? Kiri ke kanan? Okay, bila kita 0.63, that means more than dia dekat belah kanan. So, this is area. So, sama tak area ni dengan dekat table ni? Sama kan? Dan barulah awak boleh cari probability using the Z value 0.63. Okay, how to find? Okay, 0.6 is it is first decimal places. At the left column awak kena cari 0.6. Yang ni. Okay, yang saya tunjuk ni 0.6 at the left column. And then for 3 ni at the second decimal places. Okay, at the second places, that means dia adalah 0.03. Okay, so 0.03 ni at the top column. Yang ni kat sini. Yang saya tunjuk ni at the top column, 0.03. Then awak combinekan 0.63. So 0.6 dekat the left column. Awak combinekan dengan at the top column 0.63. Okay, 0.63. So, you will get 0.2643. 0.2643. Then, that is the answer. Okay, 0.2643. Okay, this is the answer. Make it in 4 decimal places. Untuk jawapan, 4 decimal places. To get the Z value in 2 decimal places. Okay, you need to round off kan dia. Alright. Boleh faham nah? For A. Okay, look at for B. Look at B. Okay, B tu minta apa? When X is less than 40. Okay, probability. So, we need to find the probability X less than 40. Okay, equal sign is not important. So, up to you. Awak nak tulis less than or less than equal. Up to you. Okay. So, from normal, we have to transform into standard normal. We have to use Z. Okay, we have to use Z. So, the probability Z. Okay, refer pada question. Question ask about less than. So, we need to put less than. And then use formula. X minus mean divide standard deviation. When X is 40, minus mean. Mean is 50. Divided by standard deviation, which is 8. Then calculate. Cuba calculate. You will get you will get negative 1.25. Okay, so Z value it is in 2 decimal places. So no need to round off. Okay, dia dah dalam 2 decimal places, no need to round off. And then you have to draw the graph. Draw the graph. So we know that Z value in negative. So it is at the left side. Okay, at the left side. Negative 1.25. Agak-agak saja, tak perlu detail sangat. Agak-agak saja kat sini. Okay. So, area dia dekat mana? Kita tengok pada sign dia. Sign dia less than. Okay, less than negative 1.25. So, area dia sama ada dekat kiri atau kanan. Bila dekat less than, that means on the left. Okay. So, how to find the probability? Okay, bila nak cari probability kat sini, area dia must be in positive side. Okay, mesti belah kanan. So, we need to change from the left to right. Okay, change from the left to right. That means area dia awak jadikan dia belah kanan, area dia kat sini. But, kekalkan value dia. Kekalkan value, Z value dia, which is 1.25. Kekalkan value dia. Sebab apa? Sebab by using table, okay, value negatif, positif ni value yang sama saja. Sebab apa? Sebab center dia 0 kat sini. Okay, area saja berubah daripada kiri ke kanan. Okay, from the left to right. Okay, Z value dia from negative to positive. Okay, sama saja. Okay, cumanya kita nak guna konsep area in the positive side. So, bila awak dah change into positive, so probability Z, okay, 1.25. And then awak tengok area dia more than or less than 1.25. It is more than. So, sign dia akan berubah jadi more than. Okay. From less than to more than. Okay. Then, bila dah more than, okay, Z value in positive and then area pun dah duduk belah kanan, then we can find the probability. Okay. When the Z value 1.25. So, for first decimal places, 1.2. Okay, cari 1.2 at the left column. 1.2. Dekat sini 1.2. Okay, and then 5 ni adalah at the second places, which is 0.05. So, 0.05 at the top. Okay, at the top. So, and then combinekan dia 1.25. 1.25. Okay, 1.25 you will get 0.1056. Okay, 0.1056. So, this is the answer. Okay, make it in 4 decimal places. Boleh faham nah? Tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp. Okay.